What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to quickly go over our friend Fantom. Currently sitting at $1.75. We're up about 1.3 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.43 billion. 24-hour volume, 749 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame, guys. We broke down from this descending triangle. It is a bearish pattern. So as of right now, we are in a technical target to the downside of $1.44. But of course, it can come back up and retest this level of resistance. If we take our Fibonacci from this swing low up to our swing high, you can see we wicked right down to the 1.618. And that is usually, not always, when you're going to see a nice little bit of retracement. Just as if you're in an uptrend, same thing when you're in a downtrend, all right, guys? Let me quickly grab my brush here. So what could happen here is we have a push up to this level of resistance at 187. We retest it. If we get rejected, then we see continuation of the downtrend. The bullish scenario is we break back above it. We come up and we retest this level of resistance at 206 and we break out. But as of right now, we are in a technical target to the downside. Our money flow and our RSI on the 4-hour is quite low, and that is usually when you see a bounce. As you can see right here, we had a nice bounce down here as well. You can see the bounces. So we're going to jump over into the daily time frame. So you can see here we've just been slowly bleeding down to our technical target of 158. We have a bearish divergence, higher high, lower high, and it's playing out, guys. So this is actually a really crucial level of support, because we take our Fibonacci from this swing low down at about $1 up to our swing high. That's where the golden ratio is, the 0.618. So we need to hold that support. If that support is lost, guys, you're creating a reversal wave. You're going to come all the way back down to where you started at 98 cents. And then you have technical targets to the downside, the 1.272 at 72 cents. The 1.618 all the way down at 47 cents. However, guys, there's huge support in this $1 range. We have support here, previous swing high. So if we did come all the way back down to $1, that could give us a beautiful opportunity to see a huge breakout back to the upside. But if that support were to be lost, guys, we also have this major double top pattern that we have to keep a close eye on. We're back underneath the EMAs, so as long as we hit them as resistance, we can see continuation of the downtrend. But the money flow is quite low, guys. Check the money flow on the 1 day. And when it's that low, you're usually going to see a bounce. As you can see here, right here, beautiful bounce. Right here, the money flow is really low. We wick down, we bounce up. What will happen is you'll see a relief bounce. You'll consolidate. You'll come a little bit lower. And then you'll see that massive breakout just as we did here. So do keep an eye on that, guys. If we do bounce up, we roll over, we could come a little bit lower, quite possibly back down to about $1.28 or $1, and then explode back to the upside for FTM. But as I've been mentioning on the weekly time frame, it is quite a large warning sign. Let me take out this fib quickly, that we're seeing a bearish divergence on the weekly as well as on the money flow. Because if we do come all the way back down to oversold on the weekly, I would expect at least $1 Fantom for the weekly RSI to come all the way back down to oversold, as it usually does when a bearish divergence fully plays out, guys. We also have support here on the 55 coming in at about $1.35. The bullish scenario is we hold 158, we bounce, we get back above 206, and we come back up to tackle this high. But as of right now, guys, we are seeing a lot of warning signs. A further downside price action doesn't mean there won't be bounces along the way. Of course, it works in waves, guys, but we can't ignore these bearish signals. And we've had 4 entries, I believe, with our dollar cost average strategy. So our next buy zone's here at 136. Currently, our break even is sitting at 234. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. You get more money into your trade, you get ready to ride the slingshot back up. I do have these price targets here at $6.20 and $10. However, in my opinion, they would be invalidated if we were to come down and lose $1 and lose this swing high, which is the high of the third impulsive wave from our Elliott wave theory. And in that case, it was just a smaller wave 5, and we're going through an ABC correction that you see in a bear market, where you go A, B, C, and then you break lower, guys. Just a possibility. It doesn't mean it has to happen. We definitely have a lot of strong support coming in at 98 cents, and honestly, I'm still expecting a larger wave 5 for Bitcoin, but we'll have to take it 1 day at a time. All right, guys, so that's basically it for FTM. Quick little update. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members. We have buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoin positions. The DCA trade strategy fully explained, as well as many members posting chart patterns talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee, 350 USD. You really can't beat it, guys. And you can sign up to the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.